Ugh, if I can't find a bird, I'm going to keep reading ages. Ugh, I need something to eat to the bird, and without food, we're going to eat the chicken. Where's that little bird? Ugh. Huh? Wait, what? What the? I need to the bird. Oh, it's a bird. Okay, I'll go get it there. What now? I'll go climb at this tree. Uh, uh. I can't tell you. I'm gonna go away with be. Oh, lunch. Yeah, I'm gonna get that bird without. All right, I got you now. Yeah, get the bird. Uh, I saw you two pussycats. Uh, I did see two pussycats. Wait, what? What do you mean, two? Wait, what the? Huh? What the? Now my chance. Wow! 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 Ah! And get over my tree! Goodness! Oh! What the heck? Wait! Huh? What's out of the what's out of the cat? Oh God! Huh? What the heck? What are you doing here? I saw your bird first. No, I found it first and a favorite squared. No, I go there. I'll go eat the bird, eat the chicken. Ugh, I'm gonna get that square first. No, it's my bird. It's my bird. I will go in there. I will eat them. No, I will go get the bird. No, I will go get the bird. No, I am. No, I am. No, I am. No, I am. Ugh. What? Let us see. Let us see. I will go get the bird. I will get you with it. I will get to the you with there. I will get the bird with there. Goodness. Ugh. Well, fine. Well, I guess I'll see you later. I'm gonna do the you later. Get to the bird. Ugh. These morons. Right. All right. Yeah. Now that's okay. Okay, there. Okay, to the bird. All right. Let me see here. Oh, that's the cat again. Okay, I need again. Ah, man, I'm gonna tell you again. All right. Well, I got. I'm gonna go get at the booth. Alright. I'm gonna go. How to go? Alright, I got to acquire this street. Wait, what the? Ju? Jura? Uh, Tra! Ah! Ah! Oh! Huh? Ah! I see you with the bird. Ah! I saw you with the bird. Whoa! Ouch! Oh! Ow! Now I'm on. Now I'm going to get to a bird now. Huh? No, it's my bird now. No, there is mine. Want to go? Never. Uh, uh, Whoa! Oh! Ah! Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you to be up at this. Goodness. Uh, I'm gonna make a stupid pussycat. I'm gonna make a point. I'm gonna get the burger cat, cut the cat, whatever I want. I'm gonna distribute the thing. I'm gonna point to your pussycat teaching. Oh, you can get the bird. But first, I'm gonna take the pussycat order a lesson. Perfect. That's how I can pick a point. Uh, it's pussycat. I'm gonna Alright. Well, I'll try to figure out how to make a plan to get a cat. I'm starting to leave a hungry to eat more. I'm gonna go get a bird. Wait, what the? Why you feel? Whoa, what the heck? Whoa! Try! What? Ah! Ah! Who? Is it going? Yes! Ah! Huh? What happened? Where am I? Huh? Ha 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 ha. Serve you right. What the heck? Why would you do that for? Serve you right. Go try to get the bird. Now I'll get to get the bird. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh no, you did it. Oh, I'm gonna take you, is it? Alright, well, I think it's time to get to catch a bird. Now, what the heck? Wah! And now, I'm trying to take it away. You would stay down there, okay? Get in there. Wah! Ouch! There, that's a care of them. Now I'm gonna go get her there and get oh, hold on. Oh wait, what do you wait first? Okay, first, what do you do to hold? Now that works. Yeah. Here we go. All right. Oh, but first, okay, before you do that, I will show the wheel stay. I need to get a screwdriver. Oh, ding. Hold on. I'll go get your screwdriver. There. Oh, sure. That face say. Alright, now I'll go get your bird. Yeah. Does it? The pussycat way too far. Yeah. Well, that's how I'm gonna rank thing. Well, I don't know what we're gonna do. Yes! Teddy bird! It's by mine! Huh? Uh-oh. Stop! Hey, what the heck is that for? It's my table. No, it's mine. No, it's double mine. Get off of the tree, I'm messing you up. This mine good bird. No, I get my birds. This is like a more episode to you. No, I saw him before there is so in the episode. It's a sweet one to me. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna just take it up and put it together. Wait, what the heck? And take this. Oh, God. That pussycat that never runs. How to run to catch a bird. this out, folks.